Welcome everyone. Today, we're exploring how AI and agents are transforming the software development lifecycle. Not just coding, but planning, testing, and operations. We'll cover the evolution of Copilot, how agentic workflows scale, and what governance looks like for safe, enterprise-grade adoption. Let's start with the challenge. For decades, the SDLC, plan, design, code, review, test, deploy, hasn't fundamentally changed, but the speed and complexity of software delivery have exploded. Businesses demand faster results, and systems are more complex than ever. Automation is no longer optional. AI is now key to reducing developer toil and accelerating workflows. Here's the traditional developer flow. While the steps, plan, code, review, test, secure, operate are familiar, the process remains painfully manual. What's changed is the expectation for speed and quality. AI is the lever that helps us break through these bottlenecks and move faster with higher confidence. Let's talk about the evolution of Copilot and agentic AI. In 2021, Copilot launched as a peer programmer, helping with code completion. The next wave brought agentic SDLC, task-driven agents that could deliver entire pull requests. Today, we're seeing hybrid teams, humans and agents collaborating across the SDLC, from planning and issue breakdown to operational tasks. This is a fundamental shift in how we build software. The impact is real. In trials, developers using AI tools completed tasks 21% faster. Throughput increased by 26%. Copilot Coding Agent is now the #1 contributor in some teams, and Copilot Review Agent is accelerating PR reviews, suggesting fixes, even triggering new PRs for complex changes. This is a new rhythm for software delivery. With Copilot Coding Agent, you can assign tasks directly, like adding a shopping cart feature. Copilot works autonomously in a secure sandbox, running tests, linting, security scans, and even generating screenshots. You can parallelize work, kick off multiple tasks while focusing on your priorities. All of this happens in a safe, secure, and ephemeral compute environment, powered by GitHub Actions. The agent validates code outside the developer's environment, ensuring security and isolation, and it's customizable with your project's dependencies, so you can tailor the agent to your needs. Safety is built in. The agent's push access is limited to a single branch. All code is reviewed before actions are executed. Network firewalls are restrictive by default, and the assigner cannot approve Copilot's pull requests. These safeguards ensure that humans remain in control and that code quality is never compromised. You can customize Copilot Coding Agent for your repository or organization. Add custom instructions, define setup steps, and configure network firewalls. Think of the agent as a smart new hire. It does its best work when you provide clear, well-scoped issues and the right environment. But not all context lives in GitHub. With Model Context Protocol, MCP servers, you can bring in outside context, logs, docs, exception trackers, even new tools like Playwright for web browsing. This gives agents the organizational awareness they need to solve real problems, not just code in isolation. Custom agents unlock advanced use cases. At Universe, we announced custom agents for GitHub Copilot, making it easy to specialize agents for targeted tasks. Examples include ARM migration, automated A/B experiments with Amplitude, and scaling documentation updates for support teams. The possibilities go far beyond coding. Think SLO monitoring, troubleshooting, and more. You can refine how an agent operates by combining prompts and tools. Define agent behavior as a simple file at the repository, organization, or enterprise level. This makes it easy to manage, share, and scale custom agents across your teams. Custom agents are defined as simple files, making them easy to configure, version, and deploy. This approach ensures consistency and governance, whether you're working at the repo, org, or enterprise level. As agents proliferate, governance becomes critical. GitHub's governance platform provides centralized control over data, rule sets, usage metrics, audit logs, teams, permissions, and agents. This is how you scale safely, ensuring compliance and visibility at every step. The Agent Control Plane is your admin home for managing AI systems, agents, and Copilot configurations. Set policies, monitor metrics, review audit logs, and control which MCP connections are allowed. Governance isn't an afterthought, it's built in from day one. To wrap up, agents are now teammates across the SDLC, ubiquitous, customizable, and governed. They increase velocity and parallelism while keeping humans in control. GitHub is building this on an enterprise-grade platform with safety and flexibility at its core. You can find more information in the full session recording. Thank you for joining, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-powered development.